right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Taylor Swift canceled. No, absolutely not. She's not canceled on this channel, but here is the song called Cancel. And one very, very cool thing here is that the final line she sings is, "We are the ones with matching guitars." Okay? Very cool. Actually, not matching scars, but if you want to have a matching guitar with me, guys, then I can really recommend you to get one of these from Anchor Guitars. And yes, this is the big boy there. You have a very good deal when you use my coupon code GORNGUitar10. So check out Anchor Guitars. You can choose whatever you want from them, 10% off, and they have a great variety of guitars and very affordable as well. So yeah, good deal there. Now let's go into the canceled song, and we have a couple chords to learn here. So let's start from the beginning. We have a capo set on the 3rd fret. That's the absolute best scenario for us. Let's go over chords needed. So we're gonna start with C. C goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have E minor next, and that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We also got the D. That will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Next is the B minor. That's a bar chord, so place his finger on the 2nd fret, 5 strings if you count from bottom up, all strings except from the last E string. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Let's move on with the B7. So you have that grip already with the bar. Now, the same bar, but now the added strings will be 4th fret D string and 4th B. That's the B7. And then we have the A minor. And that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And there I believe we have all the chords needed. Now let's go into the strumming. So the song actually starts with the E minor, that's the intro, and one string around is about 4 downs. It goes like this. Okay, so I'm playing. Notice maybe a difference there on the 3rd down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we want that effect. So what I'm doing here, I'm playing on the bass strings for the 1st, the 2nd, and the 4th down. And on the 3rd down, I go down all the way to the high strings and get them as well. So bass, bass, top, bass, bass, bass. Okay, so that is one string around 4 downs. Now, like I said, intro, E minor, 2 string rounds first. And then starts the actual song, the first verse. Now you're gonna play the verse C, 2 string rounds, E minor 1, and D1. And that's it. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds. So let's do 2 rounds together. C, C, E minor, D. Again. Double up there for the first verse, and that's it. Then we're gonna hit the pre-chorus at 24 seconds in. Did you girl boss me? And that is where we're on the lyrics. Now what you're gonna play is C, 2 string rounds, E minor 1, and D1, and then you're gonna play C2 and D just 1 down with a pause, and that pause builds up for the chorus, and that's it. So C2, E minor 1, D1, C2, and down on 1D, and a pause. Now we're into this chorus play at 34 seconds in. Good thing. Okay, that's where we're on the lyric. What you're gonna play here now is the first half, which is E minor 4, B minor 4, C2, and D2. Okay, then the second half is E minor 2, B minor 2, C2, and 1 down on D. That's it, just this one round. So I'm gonna again speak me while I'm playing. So let's do it together, starting with E minor 4, B minor 4, B minor 2, C2, D. One down and the pause. And that pause is a bridge over to the second round of the song. Now we're gonna play exactly the same almost for the second verse. The only thing here is you're gonna play 4 rounds, but the 4th round is just a lyric part. So you'll actually play just 3 rounds and then she sings the 4th round for you. So 3 rounds of play, but it lasts for 4 rounds. That's the second verse. The second pre-chorus played exactly the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second chorus, no changes there. After the second chorus comes this bridge part at 2 minutes and 1 second in. Okay, so let's go into that one, and now you're gonna play C2, then A minor 2, then D2, and B minor 2. Then you're gonna go into C2 and B7 2 plus a pause. Okay, that's the first part of this bridge. It's a longer one. So we're gonna play this part first. So again, same style. I play and speak and you just follow. C2, A minor 2, D2, B minor 2, C2, B7 2, and the pause. And then still in this bridge part, we're about 2 minutes and 19 seconds in. Now you're just gonna play simple downs, okay, with pauses in between. And we're gonna play E minor to B minor, C, D, C, and B7. Okay, that is the chord progression here. And we're gonna play like this. For E minor, 4 downs. Okay, and it goes like this. Then B minor the same. Then C, 2 downs. Then D, 2 downs. And back to C, 2 downs. And B7, 2 downs. Okay, that is the end of the bridge parts. And then after that, you're going to come into the third chorus. And what you're going to play here is a little bit different from the other ones. So you're going to start with the first half of the chorus. You remember, you had an E minor 4, B minor 4, C2, and D2. That first half, you're going to play for 2 rounds straight, okay? So play 2 rounds of that, and then you're going to finish off with E minor 2, B minor 2, C2, A minor 2, and B7 2. I'm gonna play that last part for you. So it goes like this: E minor, B minor, C, A minor, B7, and then comes that famous outro lyric. The last thing she says is, "We are the ones with matching guitars." No, scars. Sorry, guys. Had to sell it again. But anyway, that is the end of this song from Taylor Swift. It's called Cancelled. And yeah, it fits guitar very well. We don't have too many chords. Very simple strumming. Straightforward. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. And if you did, like, subscribe, be back. Thank you for watching. Play tuned.